Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now click on those three dots at the top right one and click on Settings. Finally, adjust all of those under Alarms however you wish to, like snooze. Then go back and to create your alarm, tap on this plus icon. Finally, set up an hour. When you finished, click on OK in the pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. For example, tap on Add Label at the top, type in wherever you wish to, and hit OK. Now select days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. Enable or disable pause alarm and Google Assistant routine by tapping on those two pluses, and switch on or off vibrations by clicking on this dot, next to it. Now choose bell icon, download Spotify or select Dismiss, and choose the best alarm sound for you. You can click on YouTube Music and log in to your account, select Sounds, tap on Add New and pick music from your smartphone, or select one of those device sounds, like alarm beep. Whatever you do, when you're ready, just go back. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to hide all of those settings, click on the top right corner of it. You can switch it off completely by clicking on this switcher and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, you need to click on the top right corner again, but this time hit delete at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!